there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw an airplane window. So here's my black pen and my ruler to start the drawing. At the beginning you have to draw some straight lines, and now to join all the lines I'm following a trick, and that is dot trick. This is really effective. Perfect. I have to make the inside a little darker. And now let's draw a wing of the airplane. And now this is my favorite part. Let's draw the view. My drawing is done, and now let's do the coloring. At the beginning I'm using green. I'm using cyan. Orange. I'm using my cyan color pencil. Finally, I'm using my pencil to color the airplane wing. And this is how you can draw an airplane window within few minutes.